Hi guys, it's Make It in Minutes Monday, and check this card out. Is this not adorable? So today is the 10th of the month, and if you didn't know, we have our Makers membership going on, and today is the last day to get in on that. If you want more information, there's going to be a link in the description below. However, it's featuring the products that you're seeing here. We're using the Silly Goose Stamp Set this month. You're also going to be getting these opal rounds and a few other goodies along with your membership for this month. So if you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to us. However, we're going to get started with this adorable card. I just think it is so cute. I love it. So here we go. All right, so I already got my stamps. My 2 stamps are already mounted. I got all my supplies cut ahead of time. And again, there's going to be a link in the description where you can find the blog post on this. But we're looking for our square where we're going to stamp our duck. And then on this piece right here, we're going to stamp our sentiment. So we're going to go ahead and get that done first. Our duck or goose, whichever you want to call it, is going to be done in Memento because we're going to do some coloring. Then we're going to use Night and Navy for our sentiment. Now I just took a scrap piece of paper that is about a 1/2 inch wide. Now for this, I'm just going to use our snips and just cut it straight off. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so we got our sentiment. Now I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of paper, which is going to be my notepad, because we're going to be using alcohol inks on this. Now, I do have a whole bunch of alcohol inks right here that I'm going to be using, and we'll have those listed as well in our blog post for these. So we're just going to go ahead and start coloring. Okay, so now we're going to bring in the rest of our supplies. Going to give this a good burnish right down the middle. I'm going to take my adhesive. Okay guys, well, you all know that I moved and I cannot find my regular tape, or snail, so I'm using Contraband. I think everybody knows that this Tombow mono adhesive, you can buy that anywhere. We used to sell it, but we no longer do. So anyway, you're going to put adhesive on the back of that skinny strip, and we're going to place that on the inside of the card. Now what I did with this one is usually I put the strip on the inside, so when you open it up, I actually turned it around and put it on this end. I'm getting a little crazy, telling you. Okay, so now we're going to take our Night and Navy and we're going to adhere our Designer Series paper. Now this was a celebration item, and if you do our Makers membership, you will get a 1/4 pack of this paper for free, along with your $20 in other products. Okay, so we're going to add that on the front, but we're going to use our dimensionals. Oh dear, I have a cat in my video. So sorry. Come here, Charlie. Yes, Mima loves you. Come on. Come on. Oh, you stinker. All right, so now we have our big square in our Night and Navy. We're going to add a few dimensionals on the back of our cute little duck and frog that we just colored. There we have it. And guess what? We're going to put more dimensionals on because we can. And of course, if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can always use your adhesive to adhere everything together. I just think it adds so much fun when you give a card and it's built up. So we're going to add a couple dimensionals on the back side of our little sentiment. And we cannot forget our opal rounds. We're going to add a couple of those as well. Okay, so there we have it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this card. And as a guest appearance from Mr. Charlie Boy, he had to get in on the action as well. So please make sure that if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos. We're back. Plus, if you'd like weekly card inspiration and 5 free tutorials, make sure you join our newsletter. You can find all the links to join in the description below. Thanks, guys. Bye.